Get good. Get good. We're back on the bottle flips, boys. Get good. Oh, guys, I apologize in general. I'm tired. I got up at 2. It's 3:01 right now. It's gonna be a good day. All right. So we got a big day today. So far we've had the MazdaSpeed for quite a while now, and we still haven't made any power on it. So today we're gonna be installing the CorkSport Turbo Inlet Pipe. We're gonna be also installing the MazdaSpeed OEM cold air intake. And yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna make some power today, boys. It's gonna be interesting because this is made for the first gen, so we'll be able to see if it wants to fit in the second gen, because I know the frame is a little different, I believe. So if that doesn't fit, then we're screwed. But let's get straight into the install. We got everything in here: filter, the guard, the inlet pipe, and then I got all my goodies and my air straightener in there and everything. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna take the wheel off so I can access the fender for this part, and then other than that, we gotta take the battery out and we gotta do all that and install this bad boy and make some sick shit, dude. I'm stoked. Let's get the bread, boys. All right, dudes, the lighting is gonna be super bad. Alright, I'm glad I've gotten that out because I've never gotten that out. Making advances already. So, next step we are going to do is inside there, there's a bolt down there, right there, and then right there. Now your ECU. Okay guys, so I just took out the last intake piece from the inlet. We're going to remove this bolt right here, and we're going to have to remove the breather hose tube from the BPV, and then we'll go down and play with the turbo. Now this should come out. There we go. Is your stock inlet pipe. As you see, it's super restrictive. Now, as you guys see with the CorkSport one, it's super free flowing. There's no pinches. Everything's nice and open. So we're gonna be putting this bad boy in. So after fiddling it with it for about an hour, literally, I got it on here when it was dry and it wouldn't come off. Managed to get it off. I lubricated a bit with WD-40 so it could slide on easier. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually put this all in. As of now, everything is mounted up. I'm missing a hose. There's a little nipple over there that I have to get a hose for, which my buddy's coming for right now. I'm gonna put the bolt onto this. I'm gonna hook that up, and then we're gonna start putting the intake in. So I was able to get the filter all the way down, took the under tray off, put the filter on, and then put the splash shield on it. So I plugged in everything is tightened. It's gonna make, the shield's gonna bang, but it's fine. Other than that, I'm gonna start putting this back together now, good to go, and then wait for that one piece. Did put everything back together. I tightened everything, put the battery back together, ECU, all that, it's all plugged in. Like I said, I'm just waiting for the longer piece of this, plug it back in, and then it should be good to go. All the under tray is bolted and everything, and we're just waiting on that one piece, and then we'll start it up, and hopefully it doesn't blow up like everything else I do does. Toss the intercooler, or the intercooler cover back on. All right, dudes. Let's do this. Intake install on the Speed 3 is successful. Let's see how she runs. Kind of scared. Oh my god, that's loud. I'm legit on a hype train right now. I literally hit like a little, like, just put my foot down a little bit in third, and it sounds like it's supposed to sound. It's so nutty. I'll try and get this for you guys. Ready? Oh my god! I can't get over it, dude. I can't. Oh my god, I don't know. how to control my excitement, dude. I've never been so excited to fucking do something on a car before. Oh my god! Does it make such an incredible noise? It's a MazdaSpeed now, boys. We fucking did it. You ready? Ready? Woo! Guys, that's crazy. What a thrill, dude. Alright guys, that's the video for today. So basically, like I said, this is what's restricting you. I mean, you got a big box with a bad, you know, airflow, and then a really restrictive inlet pipe that's really cheaply made. So I can't tell you guys like how stoked I am. Like this, it sounds nuts. Like it literally like blows. I don't get it, dude. I don't get it. But anyways, guys, if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, would I recommend this? Definitely. And it does definitely make a difference. And once I get tuned, hopefully I'll be able to like really feel that. But car drive's awesome for being like stock tune, like ECU tune. Awesome. I love it. So I'm gonna go for a drive, but I'm so hungry. Keep it real. I'll see you guys in the next one.